application you use today, Netflix, Amazon, Google, Spotify, Airbnb, Stripe, Paystack, and ChatGPT, runs on cloud infrastructure. Behind every mobile app, website, AI platform, fintech solution, and enterprise system is a team of engineers responsible for ensuring that systems remain secure, scalable, reliable, and available to millions of users around the clock. These professionals are cloud engineers, and in today's digital economy, they are among the most sought after and highly compensated professionals in technology. As organizations continue migrating their systems to the cloud and adopting modern DevOps practices, the demand for skilled cloud engineers continues to grow at an unprecedented pace. In the United States, cloud engineers commonly earn between $100,000 and $180,000 plus annually, while experienced cloud architects, DevOps engineers, and site reliability engineers often earn $180,000 to $250,000 plus annually, depending on specialization and experience. But the opportunity extends far beyond traditional employment. Cloud engineering opens doors to remote opportunities with global companies, high-value consulting engagements, DevOps and infrastructure engineering careers, cloud security roles, building and scaling your own technology products. The reality is simple. Every successful technology company needs software engineers, but every successful technology company also needs engineers who know how to deploy, secure, scale, monitor, and maintain the systems that power those products. Without cloud infrastructure, software doesn't reach users. Without reliability, businesses lose customers. That's why cloud engineering has become one of the most valuable technical disciplines in the modern technology ecosystem. At Xydge Academy, we've designed a cloud engineering program to help aspiring engineers develop the practical skills needed to build, deploy, automate, monitor, and manage cloud infrastructure in real-world environments. This isn't a theory-heavy certification course. It's a practical, project-based program focused on building job-ready and industry-relevant cloud engineering skills. Throughout this program, you will learn Linux administration fundamentals, networking concepts and infrastructure, cloud computing fundamentals, Amazon Web Services (AWS), cloud architecture principles, identity and access management, compute services and virtual machines, cloud storage solutions, databases in the cloud, infrastructure as code, CI/CD pipelines. You would also gain hands-on experience with industry-standard tools and technologies including AWS, GitHub Actions, Terraform, Linux, Nginx, cloud monitoring tools, modern DevOps platforms. Unlike many online courses built around pre-recorded videos and certification preparation, Xydge Academy combines structured learning with live instruction, mentorship, accountability, and hands-on implementation. Our students benefit from live instructor-led classes, dedicated technical mentorship, practical labs and exercises, real-world infrastructure projects, industry-relevant assignments, portfolio development, career coaching, collaborative team learning, professional feedback, and reviews. Throughout this program, you will build and deploy real cloud infrastructure projects. You will learn how to host applications, automate deployment, secure systems, monitor performance, and design scalable environments capable of supporting modern software products. By graduation, you will have a portfolio of practical cloud projects that demonstrates your ability to work with modern cloud technologies. You will also complete a capstone project where you design, deploy, secure, and manage a production-ready cloud environment from start to finish. For exceptional students, there may be opportunities for internship placement and participation in real-world infrastructure projects through Xydge Software Solutions and our partner network. At Xydge Academy, we don't just teach cloud tools, we teach you how to think like an engineer responsible for systems that businesses depend on. Whether your goal is to become a cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, site reliability engineer, cloud architect, this program is designed to provide the skills, mentorship, and practical experience needed to succeed. The future will be built in the cloud. The question is, who will build and manage the infrastructure that powers them? Build infrastructure, build reliability, build the future. Xydge Academy, where cloud engineers are built.